Hey everyone, welcome back to Tegafate Hub, where we make HTML and web development easy and fun for beginner. In the last video, we learned about HTML form, where we know how to collect data from user and pass it to the server for processing. Though we just make a short video about that, so how you can use your HTML as your contact form, use it for contact form or any type of form that you collect data from users. But today we are completing our HTML beginner series with a powerful and practical topics, which is HTML list. Yes, HTML list. List helps structure your website content in a clean, organized way. We will learn both the theory and the practical example. So open up your code editor and let's dive right in. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification so you get notification anytime we drop a new video and you follow up with our series. So now let's dive in. Here we have our section 1. What are HTML lists? So we need to know what HTML lists are. Lists are used to group related items together. For example, a list of features, steps, or menu links. You can use this list or for features, like maybe you have a features for your website or anything. You can use it for steppies. You can also use it for menu. We use it for menu, especially if you are a navigation bar. We use list most times. In HTML, there are three main type of list. We have unordered list, which is bullet point. Whenever you are scrolling on your web page and you find a bullet point on it, maybe a list of the things and with a bullet point, you should know that they make use of unordered list. And the second one here, we have ordered list, which is number items. Whenever you are scrolling on your web page and you find out some list item with a numbered, you should know they are order list. And we have something like description list. This also we use this also in web also, term and description pairs. So I'm going to show us the practical aspects in this video. Don't worry, calm down, don't rush to anywhere. I'm showing you step by step practical how you can use it and how everything works. Here we have something here in our section 2 on other list. Let's start with an other list. The one that use bullet points. Yes, we have something here. We are heading to with in my favorite programming language with another list and the list of three programming language HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So now I'm heading to my Visual Studio Code so I can quickly grab and start why we are here to start doing what we are here to learn. So now, first of all, let me bring out the H2, our heading, or favor right programming language. So now we have given that a heading, like subheading, because we have one heading already. So now what I need to do is to call out my on order list. We have U as on order and we also have L as order list. It has open tag and closing tags. So now what we need to do is to insert our list items. This list item is going to hold our 3D programming language. We are starting from HTML and also go to our CSS and also go to sorry our JavaScript. So we call it JavaScript. Don't worry, in our future series we are exploring all these programming language, but for now we are covering HTML for now. So in our next series we are covering CSS beginner series, so you guys will know how to apply styles to your web page. So everything we have been learning so far, we are going to learn how to apply styles and make everything look good on the web pages. So now I need to go to open this in my live server, and then as you can see we have something here with a bullet point. We have something here with a bullet point. We have our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That's what we call on order list. And now each list item is wrapped inside li, known as our list item. By default, the browser shows bullet points before each items. I hope you understand. So what they are saying there shows bullet point before list items. That is, the bullet point will be pointed before the items inside it. So now we are moving to our section 3. This section 3 contains ordered lists. Next, the look at let's look at order lists which use numbers instead of bullet points. That is, if you don't want to use bullet point, you can use number. Like you having one, two, three, you can use bullet points without number. So now that's what we are looking to. We have subheading with steps to learn web development. So now we are heading to our Virtual Studio Code. Let's give it subheading. Then step to learn web development. So now we are using what our order list, which is OL. Then inside it we have our list items. This we come learn HTML, and also list is going to come with learn CSS, and another one is going to come with learn JavaScript. I hope you understand. So now if I go to the browser to open this up, you will see the difference. As you can see, we have our HTML, CSS here, and we have learn step to learn HTML, learn CSS, learn JavaScript, as you can see. So now we have something here again. This is perfect for step-by-step structures or ranked list. I hope you understand. So this is very perfect in times maybe you want to add something like so people can easily follow up like one, two. You can also use on other lists also, anyone that you wish to use. So now we have something here in our section 4. We have nested list. But before this nested list, there's something about the three type of what's it called? We have something we call three type of main type of list. So I'm going to show us here how we can also add that to how we can do that in short here. There's something we call DT, and there's something we call DT, and we have no DT will not be the first thing. I think sorry, DT should be the okay. We have DL, and then we have DT. This DT is going to contain HTML, and then something we call DD. This is going to contain description about the HTML. It's going to contain description about HTML. Then used for web structure. Then another one, let me use DT, CSS. Then we have DD. We call it used for used for style, used for styling, used for styling. So now let's go to the browser. So you will see now. Have you seen the difference? This is the description list. This is our other list. This is our another list. So the next one in our section 4, we have nested list. That is where you can also create nested list. That is list inside another list. You can create list inside another list. So I'm using this one. I'm using this one now. Other list, another list rather. Then I have my li. Then I call it. Let me give it a head. I'm inserting head and body, and then I'm giving it in the body. So that is I've created nested list. That is, as you can see, and I've on list on other list this already and also list this. That is, this is under this is with this. They are together. They are not for here. They are for this. I hope you understand. So that's what we called nested list. Then our section 5, we have our simple styling. Simple styling, how we can apply a simple styling. Before moving into CSS, let's try a quick inline style to change the bullet types. So now, if I go to my Visual Studio Code, so what I need to do here, I'm coming to the on other list, that is the parent of the list. So what I'm adding a style attribute with what? With a list type. Anything that I want to add here, I can do it here. So let me give it a square. So now, if I come here now, come back to the browser and see, you will see everything change to what? Everything change to dot. This change to dot, and this is in circle. Now, if I want to change that one also, I can come here also and give it a style attribute with a list style type and give it a circle. It's a circle already. I can give it decimal. Let me give it decimal. Okay. As you can see, we have this one, two. That's it about um inline styling, that you can add anything, a quick styling that can make change things along the line. So, and that's it. You have just mastered HTML list. We have covered on ordered and nested and description list. giving you full control over how you display structured content. This also marks the end of our HTML beginner series. You have learned everything from the basics to form and list. Congratulations. Next up, we are starting something even more exciting, the CSS beginner series. That is, this is the end of our HTML beginner series. We are moving on to our CSS beginner series. Though we still have a lot to cover up in HTML, but for now we are stopping here. This is the basic series. So in the future series, we are going to move on to advanced HTML. That is, we are learning more. Then this CSS is going to cover where we will start styling your web pages and color with color layout and responsive design. If you have enjoyed this journey, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss the first episode of our next CSS beginner series coming next on this channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button so you follow up anytime we drop a new video. You get a notification so you learn with Tegafate Hub. Thanks for watching once again. See you guys in the next series.